But when I went to pick her up, like I saw a bunch of these people before. Porque si no...
Doctor